here getting my makeup on, but I'm going to try out these new lashes today. I want to see how they work. I've applied false eyelashes before, not very often. I was lucky to be born with some longer ones, so for a long time I didn't have to do anything with them. I never wore mascara. Somebody said, why don't you ever wear mascara? And it's like, why should I? I have eyelashes. And but I will say, the older you get, the thinner the hair gets everywhere. Your eyebrows, I barely ever tweeze my eyebrows, and I haven't waxed my eyebrows in years. I haven't needed to. They're not bad. Every once in a while I get a little stray hair and I'll just pull that right out. Alright. Finally got it open. Make sure you have something sharp around that you can get in there and cut that tape. That tape is hard. Okay, so yeah, the older you get, you notice you start losing your eyelashes. Okay, yeah. What you do is you take each of these and you put a strip on of this. This is the Kiss Strip Lash adhesive. Strip Lash adhesive with aloe. So I'll take these off and I'll put glue on them both. Alright, so I've trimmed it to right where I think it should go. So I'm only going to do one lash at a time. I don't want to risk losing anything. And I can't see. Alright, let's put a strip on. Can you see me? Okay, it says to wait about 3 seconds. It wants to, they say it should turn like clear and tacky, and that's when you put them on. See, that's where I always messed up before. I put the glue on, and then on my eye. Next, you know, I had glue all on my eye, and then it was very uncomfortable. So I did a little research into applying the fake lashes because, yes, of course, I'm late in life doing my makeup. Yeah, I think it's fun. I go to Disney. We do a lot of fun things. I vlog about it, and I just have a good time dressing up. So by putting my makeup on and my dresses on, it makes me feel good. And, you know, I found out late in life that when you look pretty, you feel pretty. You know? Well, I'm probably not saying that right. It helps with your confidence with that. First time I did my makeup and went out, a guy at the gate at Magic Kingdom, he says, ma'am, I love your eyes. Your makeup, it's perfect. And I was like, thank you. I was shocked because I'm like, I don't know. You know, so it made me feel good. It really did. Alright, so yeah, so this nice guy at Magic Kingdom liked my makeup. And it made me feel, it helped build my confidence up. I think I went in there with my head held high and I was ready to go. But then I've always been looking for the perfect eyelashes. And I've been having a hard time finding mascaras to do. And it's like, So when I said, let me try these and see what happens. So, I gotta wait 30 seconds. I didn't wait. I'm gonna get a drink. So, alrighty. Okay, yeah, I'm not, I never said I could do it. I never said I could. I can do this, right? Yeah, let me try. Okay, let me try it this way. All right, nope. Take 3. All right, gotta wait 30 seconds. I'm scared I can't do this. How difficult can this be? Right? How difficult can this be? Alright, I'm probably applying, I probably should have went on YouTube, huh, and checked out how to apply them correctly, huh? Oh, okay, here we go. It got stuck on my finger. It's not supposed to stick on me. Well, I mean, not my fingers. Okay, I'm just going to keep my eyes closed for... All right, let's do this. I think. Yes, I did. Yes, 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 I did. Yes, 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 I did. I'm sorry. I just got excited. I did it. All right, let me finish my bottom lashes. I'll be right back. All right, guys, are you ready? Okay, and here we go. Yay, I did it. Okay, I know what to do now, and I know what not to do now. So, this is great. Now, my only problem is these lashes hit right up on my lens. Oh, I'm sorry. I thought it was funny because I put them on and I'm like, uh-oh. So I'm going to have to curl this one up a little bit more to keep it from hitting my glasses. But that's easy to do. All I need is my little curler. No. All you got to do is use your curler and boop, boop, curl it right up. So, all right, guys. All right, my model is sitting here with his feet in the water, getting them nice and soft. And I'm about to do a pedicure on him. So I'm going to open this up and show you what's in here. All right, once I got it all opened up, I have, ooh, this is a nice file. And look, it got a little foot scrubber, which we like to use. And oh, look at here, all kinds of cuticle sticks. Ooh, 6 of them. Good job. All right. Cuticle nippers. I always like to check the points out on them. Oh yeah. I like those. I needed a new pair anyway, so I guess I got a new pair. And a little buffer to buff the nails when we're done. It's another cuticle pusher. A metal one. This one's kind of nice. And we have with a pumice stone with the thing. I like that. And big toenails, because he's got big toes. You know, so you need a nice big one for those toes. Well, I can't call your feet Fred Flintstones. I always tell him, put your Fred Flintstones in the water. And when I polish his nails, we have these that can go between there. So I gotta find a polish still to use on him. I haven't found one yet, but I will when I'm done. So meanwhile, and then you can pack all that stuff up back in here and take it with you. So pretty good kit. It's a 15-piece kit. Yeah. Okay. All right. Time for me to dig at those toes. Oh, sorry. All right. I'm done with his, his nails and that. And I did a little bit of a scrubbing on the bottom there. How'd they feel, boo-boo?
Feel rejuvenated.
Do they? Do they feel? Oh yeah, they feel much smoother now from that stone, the pumice stone. Yeah. And those nails, I got to clip them, clean those cuticles. Yeah. So just soak a little bit longer. I'm going to put a little oil in there to soak into your skin. And then when you're done, I'll get you all polished up and all pretty and ready to go.
And you won't call me Fred Flintstone feet anymore.
Right. You will no longer have Fred Flintstone feet when I'm done with you. Okay. Promise you that.
Okay.
All right. Nails. All right. Feet are out. They're polished. They're clean. They're pretty. You guys ready to see the results of his no longer Fred Flintstone feet? Are you excited?
Mm-hmm.
Obi's excited too. Obi, you want to see how Daddy's feet turned out too? Okay. Can you move to the side so we can finish? Thank you. Such a helpful little guy. All right. All right, boo-boo. Pull the sheet away. Check your feet out. Look at those feet. They no longer look like Fred Flintstone feet.
Wait a minute.
Look at how pretty his toenails are.
Oh, no.
You let me polish them. Aren't they pretty?
Wait a minute. What was in that water?
Just some soap and a little bit of oil and that.
Yeah, something looks a little different.
From your feet? Yeah, I know. They don't look like Fred Flintstone feet no more, baby. Look at that.
Okay.
All right. Do you like them?
Yeah.
Do you love them?
I love them.
All right, buddy. You got it. Obi, you like Daddy's new feet? Oh, he's even saying, Daddy, there's something wrong with your feet. What's wrong with your feet, Daddy? Thanks for listening to me. Love y'all. Glad you're here. And come back and see me again, okay? Bye.
Subscribe, like, and hit that bell. Ring.
And come back and see Yammy some more.
Yeah.